Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a product review and also a do-it-yourself project. I have been wanting to do this for quite a while and I hope that everybody likes it. So I got this at Walmart and it was $17.99. It's a 47 piece kit, and it has 10 colors. Let's see if you can see it. And it comes with these thingies, I can't remember what they're called. The rubber bands. It came with 2 sets, but I opened it up to see the instructions and what all was in there, and I lost them. But anyways, it comes with all this. See? Rubber bands, your gloves, the little instruction thingy, that. And it kind of gives you how to do it, and it gives you how you can do the tie-dye. Let me see. Lets you know what styles you can do. Today we're going to be trying this one and this one. Okay, so for this project you need some trash bags or something to cover your space that you're going to be doing, your surface, so the paint doesn't go all over the place. So I got this. I believe it's either from the dollar store or from Harbor Freight. So that, and you need something to store your shirts after you tie-dye them. You're gonna leave them there for like 8 hours or overnight. I'm just gonna use some bags, plastic bags, and I have a bucket as well. I'm gonna put them in there. And I'm not sure how many shirts you can get out of this, but we are going to try to get a couple out of this one. Just a regular white t-shirt. I got 1, 2, 3 little ones and 3 medium-sized ones. So I can't wait to do this. I've been wanting to do it for a while. So yeah, let's get this started and we'll see how it goes. Tomorrow morning I'll do the reveal to see how they turned out, and you can see that as well in this video. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see I have my little space set up and we're gonna get ready to go. Alright, so we're gonna start over with these 2 shirts, and you can see all the colors. So you're going to fill the little bottles all the way up with water to the neck of the bottle, and then shake them really good. And you're going to do your shirts however you want. If you want to do the swirl or the crumping, then that's going to be in the style that you're going to be doing your rubber bands on it. And we're going to start off with these 2. So let's get started on that. Guys, we're almost done with this do-it-yourself project. This is the crump style shirt. You just crump it up and you pick whatever color you like. Abby decided to do something a little different, and let's see if I can, there you go. I don't know why it was like that. Okay, so she decided to do something a little different because, like I said, I lost one set of the rubber bands and we didn't have enough. So, but that's how that one looks. We'll see how the other ones turn out in the morning. And I am gonna say something. If you want to do something like that, plan for space, because I have a small balcony and it was just not working for me. It's really hot out here too, but yeah, let's see how they come out in the morning, and we will review the do-it-yourself tie-dye kit. I think it's worth it if you're doing a couple of shirts and if you're going to be using all the colors instead of just a few colors. We used up both of the pinks up, most of the purple, the dark purple, and a little bit of the blue. But if you're going to be using all the colors, I think it's good. We'll see how the shirts come out, and then I'll let you know my final thoughts on that. Alright, we'll see you in the morning. Alright, you guys, welcome back. Today the shirts have already been soaking overnight, and we're gonna see how they came out. They came out really good. I was really surprised. And let me go ahead and show them to you. So this is the little one of the little ones. This is the smallest one. They're almost dry. See, they came out really nice. And then after that, we ran out of the rubber bands, and Abby just did her own thing. This is how hers came out. She just kind of splattered the paint on it, and this is the crumple style. This is my son's. It came out really nice. I really like it. I think I'm gonna make one like that next. And then by the time I got to mine, I wasn't gonna do mine, but it was already wet, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. So I just kind of winged it and didn't do no rubber bands, just kind of splatter the colors on there. I did do the swirl thing before, but I thought it was gonna come out really ugly because it looked like it was gonna be really ugly, and it came out so pretty. See? I love it. I really, really, really like it. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I'm glad I did it. It came out really nice. Got the floor painted as well. Not on purpose, but it happened. So, what are my thoughts on this? You definitely should buy the kit if you want to make a bunch of shirts, because it comes with all the colors. If you're only gonna do 1 or 2 or 3 shirts, then you should buy a smaller kit. They have smaller ones. I think the next one to that one was, I want to say 12 bottles in it or something like that. They have different size kits. They do come with lesser colors, and that's why I had picked this one, because it came with all the colors. And then you can also mix and match the colors to make new colors. It comes with, I think, 4 pair of gloves and 2 things of rubber bands. I didn't count how many rubber bands were in there, but yeah. I didn't cut the rubber bands off, the ones that I used it on. I ended up keeping them for another project. I'm sorry about that. It's my chair. It squeaks. Also, what else was I going to say? Oh, the gloves. If you have big hands, then they're good. But if you have small hands like me, then you should probably buy some of the latex gloves. Those are better because it was almost impossible for me to work with those gloves. I ended up taking them off. What else? I can't think of anything else, but overall I think it's a great product. It's not too expensive, and I mean, I could probably would have made a couple of more shirts. I still have some stuff left. I'm gonna end up throwing it away, but I had a lot of paint left, and I could have done maybe 3 or 4 more shirts. So if you're gonna be doing a big project, definitely try it out. Recommended. And you know, just be creative and do whatever you want, and it's gonna look great. Don't be scared. I know I was like, oh my god, it's not gonna turn out great, but I really like how it came out, and I'm really happy with it. I hope the girls like it, and I hope you guys like it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you do try it out, let me know, and show me some pictures. And yeah, so until next time, bye bye.